We are out here on the smallmouth waters, different smallmouth waters. It's got a nice bass here. That's a good one. You might go 18 or 19. Nice, fat, healthy. It's funny, I caught him in the same spot I caught one last year. Same time. The water temperature's still cold here. I've been looking around for some smallmouth. This lake has been on a downturn the past few years. Oh my God, I'm tangled up. All tangled up. Get this over here. Let's get a proper measurement. Get a nice picture of him. Let's get one on the board. It's the only bite I've got all day. Watch this glare. I need to get the sun at my back. I need to get the sun at my back. I'm getting a glare on it. That's one thing I don't like about catch boards. I mean, not the yellow one's perfect. The plastic one's perfect. These things sometimes you don't get the black one. The black one is the worst. The fin like disappears. All right, come on now. Come on now. Oh my God, jumped off. Oh my God, jumped right off of that. Holy smokes. Should have put the net there. Oh my God, you feel so stupid. So freaking stupid. Get that over with. Man, he jumped off. A little part of me just died. Oh my gosh. What an idiot. Idiots. There's a decent one. You might go 17. Get a picture of him real fast. Just saw a blow up. Let's lose this one too. Let's get. It's a nice smallmouth. He's not super huge, but he's a good one. Been out here on the struggle bus a little bit today. I knew something would change once the sun got up. Dump my board. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's not big. 16 and 3/4. All right, 16 and 3/4. There's a nice long one right there. My smallest fish is 17. I got it on backwards. That's good. Let's see. I think he's gonna help. No, 16 and 3/4. Yeah, we are out here in Northeast Georgia. I went to the smallmouth waters yesterday. Woo. I had a 19 jump off the board. It sucked immensely. Kind of went into Matty Wong mode. I kind of never got over it. The rest of the day, just kind of milled around. Caught three. One jumped off. I would have gone a long way in the QC KBF monthly, but we're excited. Tomorrow we have a tournament on Lake Kiwi. Have a little history there. Won a tournament there one time, and I think last year I got 9th. Came in 9th. I have a pretty good spot. It's supposed to be like raining, thunderstorms, crummy weather, so we'll see. We'll see. I might be sitting in the truck for the first 2 hours. I'm not sitting in there fishing in a deluge. And I'm not fishing in a freaking getting blown up for a little tournament. So, but hopefully we get some guys. We need to get about 50, 60 guys in there. We're getting close. QC always has a great turnout. Hope to see all the guys there. Brian BG will be there. Travis Does Fishing will be there. Lowell Brennan will be there. Bunch of hammers are going to be there. Lowell's going to do good. Come on, let's get a catch a little bite here. Kind of downsize. Water's cleared up a lot since the rains. Come on, give me Skibbity. Let's get a dupe. Let's get a dupe. Supposed to start raining at some point today and then rain most through the night. Getting a lot of systems. And like this time of year, any weather pattern that comes across from the Pacific Northwest is trash. Absolute trash. Just dragging this little jig along the bottom here. It's gonna get skibbityed. Oh, I got fish under my boat. Felt weird. He was on there the whole time. He was on there the whole time. It's not a big one. It's a large one. What is this spot? It's a good one. Whoa. It's a little bigger. Yeah, he's about, looks like the exact same fish, actually. Cookie cutters. See if I can catch 3 fish on a Kitech. It'd be a miracle. He bit that one soft. I didn't even know he bit it. I just felt kind of a little something swim by it. You fish these things long enough, you can feel a near miss.
And then at some point, Israeli soldiers start firing.
There's a nice one right there. I don't know if he's going to be long enough. Nope, can't get past that 16 mark. Ugh. Good one, I thumped it. There's an old beat up one right here. Thanks, every bass is the same size. Finally got a good one. Let's get a measurement on him. Not jump out. 18, 19, somewhere in there. Come on. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Alright, let's get a picture. Whoa. Not doing good. Not doing good with the measuring of the fish. That's a nice long spot. See how big this guy is. Might go 18. Oh my God, I am on a crazy bite. This is unbelievable. Damn, that's a big one right there. I'm on a crazy bite right now. Must have just caught this. I must have just hit this just at the right time. This has never happened in 20 years up here. Never. God dang. That's a big fish. Shit all over my board. Yeah. Close. Close. 20 and a half. Come on. Oh, this thing makes me want to cry. Crappy picture. Let's get a better picture. 20 and a half. God, I'm done. That's a good call. That's a good call. Unbelievable. Busting everywhere. There he is. Oh, he come off. Come off. That was a good bite. Trying to stay as far away as I can from him. That's a good one. Oh, God dang, he broke my line. Oh, my God, he's serious?
Whatever the reason is, the point that I'm trying to make, life moves on, and it's
Caught a good one here, but I'm in heavy current. Try to get a quick picture before I crash. It's not huge. I assume right there. At least he's gonna cooperate. 18. Cooperated. Let him go. Another nice largemouth. Look at that guy. Wow.